Have you ever struggled to remember a long list of facts, complex formulas, or even the order of planets? Imagine having a secret weapon that makes recall almost effortless, turning daunting information into memorable stories and images. It is not magic, it is mnemonics, and integrating them into your study routine can dramatically boost your memory. Integrating mnemonic practice into your study involves actively creating memorable mental shortcuts for information you need to recall. This means going beyond simple rereading and engaging with the material in a creative way, connecting new information to existing knowledge through vivid imagery, patterns, or sounds. The core idea is to transform abstract or dry data into something meaningful and easy for your brain to retrieve when you need it most, especially during tests. The reason mnemonics are so effective lies in how our brains naturally process and store information. Our minds are wired to remember things that are novel, emotional, visual, and connected to previous experiences. Mnemonics leverage these natural tendencies by converting rote information into vivid, multi-sensory experiences. When you associate a concept with a strong image, a memorable phrase, or even a short song, you create multiple retrieval paths in your brain, making it much easier to access that information later than relying solely on repetition. To start integrating mnemonics, begin by identifying key information you struggle to remember, such as vocabulary words, historical dates, or scientific classifications. For vocabulary, try the keyword method where you link a new word to a familiar word that sounds similar, then create an image connecting the two meanings. For example, to remember the word garrulous meaning talkative, you might picture a girl who is truly always talking. For lists or sequences, use acronyms like HOMES for the Great Lakes, or create a story where each item in your list is a character or event in a memorable narrative. Another powerful technique is the method of loci, or memory palace, which dates back to ancient Greece. This involves mentally placing items you need to remember along a familiar route or within rooms of a building you know well. When you want to recall the items, you simply take a mental walk through your memory palace, picking up each piece of information as you go. This method is incredibly effective for remembering ordered lists or complex sequences of data, and it is a favorite among memory champions because it exploits our brain's excellent spatial memory. Finally, ensure you regularly review your mnemonic creations. Just like any study method, consistent practice strengthens the mental links you have built. Make it a habit to create a mnemonic for at least one challenging concept each study session. This consistent effort will not only improve your retention of specific facts but also enhance your overall ability to learn and recall information, transforming your study sessions into a more engaging and effective experience.